All right, this is the felony preliminary hearing calendar. I am Judge Case Johnson. When I call your case, please make your announcements. Aguilera, I think we're still waiting on that attorney.
The
I'll just,
attorney is getting ready to log on, Your Honor.
okay, all right, I'll come back to that one. Frank Alexander, that was a bond waiver. Um,
Yes, Your
Kevin,
Honor.
Kevin Herrera, that's Attorney Lewis. I understand that that's a fast track. Ron
That's correct.
Blair,
State will be ready, Your Honor.
That's Attorney Randall, Your Honor.
oh, okay. Where did he go? There he is. Okay, I'll let him report back. I know he was um, handling something. Quantavious Bryant, that was Attorney Mondelli. That is a bond waiver. Jamal Campbell is Attorney Rogers. I have fast track. Portia Homer, that's Attorney Ballware. That's a bond waiver. Kamari Dios, Attorney Smalls, that's going to be a hearing. What's the state announcement on that one?
I'll need to contact my officer, Your Honor, so state will be ready.
Okay. Rashid Gooden, that's Attorney Lewis. We're going to continue that one till November 19th. DeAndre Green, that's Attorney Harris, and that is a bond waiver.
Yes, Your Honor.
Pamela Guzman, that's Attorney Hayden, that's going to be a hearing today. What's the
And Your
state?
Honor, the judge is logging on. No, I'm sorry. Your Honor, the officer is in the process of logging on. I just got off the phone with him.
The state's ready. All right. And who is this officer?
Officer De Silva, DE capital SILVA, first initial D.
Edward Harris.
State will be ready.
Actually, Attorney Boulware announced a bond waiver.
Okay.
Yep. Tommy Hendricks, that's Attorney Lewis. Do you have an update on that one? Do you know?
Yeah, it's my understanding that's supposed to be a consent bond.
Okay. All right. Kimberly Hill, that is she's out to bond. Lorenzo Huff, Attorney Smalls. You're asking for a continuance on that one?
Yes, Judge.
Okay, that's going to be 11/19. Jeremiah Johnson.
Your Honor, that is one of Ms. Callen's cases, and according to the email that I received, she's requesting a continuance. Ms. Davis,
Mm-hmm.
is that correct?
It is. It is, Thomas.
11/19. Is she off maternity leave?
She's back at work, Your Honor. I spoke to her on Monday.
She's what? I'm sorry, say that one more time.
She's back at work. She's off maternity leave. She's requesting a continuance on her 2 cases.
Yeah, is it me? It may be me. Does she sound really muffled?
Yeah.
I'm sorry, do I?
Yes, you were. Okay. I think that's better. Oh,
Okay,
you
yeah.
sound like you in that hole from what's that movie? Okay, I'm sorry. Go ahead.
Okay, so she's back from maternity leave, Your Honor. So she said her 2 cases on this calendar, she's just requesting a continuance. So she has Jeremiah Johnson and Sarakias Jones.
Okay, which is the next one? I'm gonna put both of these on 11/19. But Ms. Davis, let her know that she needs to be present on the 19th and ready to proceed, or either try to get these out prior to coming to court. We're not doing any more continuances on Johnson.
I'll let her know, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. So Jones is going to be continued. Lewis Lavender.
Yeah, that's one of Mr. Lewis's cases, and he requests a continuance to December the 22nd.
Okay. And what was the reason? I just put defense request.
Yes, ma'am.
Mhm.
Your Honor, we have court that week. It's Christmas week.
Well, the week before, I guess, then.
That's what did you say?
It's Christmas week.
That is Christmas week. So, so you want to do the December 15th? Let's put it on the 15th.
I think
December
he
15th.
mentioned something about 90 days, Your Honor, on that one.
So we need to go out further, is what you're saying?
Think so.
I believe that was the reason why he said it. So can we
So with
do,
the 90 days is up, but give me a date and that'll be fine.
I guess that, are we in court the week after Christmas? I guess that we are.
yes.
Not the
So
31st.
no,
So it would have to, December 29th?
Yes, we can do the 29th. All right. Um,
And Your Honor, I believe Attorney Castiana is trying to log on.
yes. All righty. And then Tashawn McCray, that's going to be a fast track. That was Attorney Boulware. Craig McKenzie, a waiver on the 2025 case and on the dismissal on the 2014 case. What
yes,
about
Your Honor.
Christopher McMillan?
State will be ready, Your Honor.
Pre-trial judge.
Amin Miller. I noticed one of the
Will be ready.
co-defendants.
That's one of the co-defendants, Your Honor.
Who's representing? Attorney Miss Davis, I think you know everything.
Attorney Brandon Lewis, Your Honor.
Say that again.
Attorney Brandon Lewis.
Brandon Lou. Okay.
I think he just sent an email. Let me check. ADA Thomas.
He sent an email, but I think it was in response to the gentleman who's supposed to be on the calendar for Friday. Yeah, that's what it looks like.
All right, we
I
need
don't
to
see
try to
anything.
reach out to Brandon Lewis after the call of the calendar.
Yeah,
Uh,
this is. Yeah,
Dante.
here it is. Yeah, Your Honor, 1 second.
Uh-huh. Mhm.
Okay, Ms. Thomas, I'm just receiving a message regarding a plea hearing this morning. Miller will be a straight waiver due to probation holds. He's saying a straight waiver, Your Honor. I'm going to forward this to you and to Ms. Thomas Stanley and Ms. Davis.
Okay.
But he's announcing straight waiver. Give me 1 second. Your Honor, it should be popping up shortly.
Right. And then what about Dante Mitchell?
Yeah, there was an announcement in Mr. Mitchell's case. I'm trying to see.
That was a bond waiver, ADA Thomas.
And I believe it's one of Mr. Lewis's, Your Honor.
A bond waiver?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right. And so Miss Melanie Makashski, that's going to be accountability court waiver.
Yes, ma'am.
Malik Moses is going to be a hearing. Eric Perales.
Your Honor, I believe he's a bond waiver previously done.
He was. That was
Bond.
Tom Barton on October the 14th.
Okay. Mhm. Who did you say was the attorney?
Tom Barton, Barton.
Eric Perkins.
That case is already indicted, Your Honor.
Okay. Do you have a case number?
And I can look and see. I think I do. Yes, Your Honor, it's 2025 CR
Hold on.
01849.
01849.
Yes, ma'am.
And that was CM.
Ma'am,
It wasn't a WA. Tell me again what the case number.
CR.
it's a CR
CRS.
number, Your Honor. It's
Okay.
indicted.
Yes. All righty. 2025 CR 01849.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Lamar Ross. This is also a co-defendant.
Yes, ma'am. He's one of the 5. State will be ready unless we want to keep them together.
Yeah, he would, I think Attorney Toll said he would log on it. Is he here?
He said he would log on.
Yes, he did say that.
Okay. All right. We'll hold on that one. Donnie Smith.
Officer is logged on. Actually, Your Honor, this is state trooper, so state's ready.
Attorney Raffis said that he'll be back at 10:30. He was the one that had the court next door.
Attorney who?
Raffis,
Can you spell that?
Rafas.
I thought that was Attorney Harris that said, no. I'm sorry. Let's see.
It was Attorney Raffis. Duran Raffis.
R-A.
FAS.
R-A.
RAFAS.
Yeah, you're breaking up too. And the first name was?
Duran. Duran.
ADA Thomas. What did she say?
I think she said URAN, Your Honor.
His first name is Devin, DEVIN. Devin.
I hear neither one of y'all.
Devin, DEVIN.
Devin. Okay.
Was on earlier.
Devin. Okay. So I'll hold on that one. DeMontavious Snyder.
Officer is logged on, Your Honor, so state is ready.
What officer is that?
A Deputy Bell.
Deputy Bell.
That's also Crystal, Your Honor.
Okay. Thank you. Evan Stiles, that's a bond waiver. That's Attorney Boulware. Santoris Taylor, that is Attorney Rogers, and that was continued to November 19th. Damon Thomas, that's also a co-defendant case. Damon Thomas.
Yes, Your Honor, that's Mr. Rogers.
That's a
So
hearing, Judge.
You don't already have one of this co-defendant? Okay.
Nah, it's quite a few different sets, so.
Oh, right. Right. All right, what's your announcement on this one?
state will be ready, Your Honor. I need to get the deputy logged on.
Okay.
Mr. Thomas wants a hearing.
I know she do.
No, I don't. It's 2 Thomases, Judge.
Oh, I thought I was talking about you.
No,
Oh,
it's 2 Thomases, Damian Thomas and Lee Thomas.
got you. All righty. And so Lee Thomas, who represents Lee Thomas?
Derek Law, Your Honor.
That's who? Dennis Law?
Attorney Derek, DEREK. That's his first name, last name LAW.
Eric Law. Okay.
Yes.
All right. Do you know if he knew about court today?
I sent him the link, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. We'll hold for him. Donnell Travis. That's Attorney Lewis.
Your Honor, I believe that was a consent bond requested.
What about Bethany Wells Witherspoon? That is Attorney Mondelli. That's a bond waiver. John
ma'am.
Wilbanks.
State will be ready.
That's a state court case, Your Honor.
What's the charge?
And I think it was just battery. Let me double check it.
This one of those ones in the jail?
Yes, well, no. Let me double check it. It was actually bound over to state court and it has a number. It's a, let me see, traffic, obstruction, misdemeanor. It's all traffic. It's all misdemeanor, Your Honor. 3 traffic charges and a misdemeanor obstruction, and has a misdemeanor case number 2025 CR.
Wait, and this is on Will Banks.
Will Banks. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right. 2025.
CR 09379.
And that was state court.
Yes, ma'am.
All righty. Tykia Witten.
Your Honor, that is an accountability court announcement from Attorney Lewis.
All righty. And then Jacob Noble, that's Attorney Rogers, and that's going to be a hearing.
Yeah,
Um,
I don't have Mr. Noble on my calendar. I'm
Me
gonna double
either.
check. So that officer would not have been notified to be here. I'm not sure where Mr. Noble comes from.
And Mr. Noble comes from a calendar on, let's see, Mr. Noble was previously on the calendar on, it was October the 8th.
Mhm.
And so he was continued then because the deputy wasn't here on the 8th.
Okay. And it was supposed to be continued.
Yes, ma'am, it was continued to today because the deputy wasn't here then either.
Oh, I don't have.
You didn't make it to the calendar for some reason. Can you see if you can get him? They did, Tom?
My concern more so than getting the deputy is getting the paperwork because I don't have it. But who is it? And that's the other thing. I don't have paperwork, so I'm not even sure who I'm reaching out to. I can respectfully request if the court would entertain it a week continuous, would at least give me a chance to get the paperwork and I know who I'm reaching out to.
And just for the record, I think it's Deputy Warren. On what I have, the paperwork I have is Deputy Warren. He might be sergeant or lieutenant. I'm not sure about his title, but with the sheriff's office.
If it's who I think it is, it would be a lieutenant. But I can't confirm because I don't have anything.
Okay. All right. So
And yeah, I'm looking at the note at the continuance here. It specifies that it was scheduled. Looks like it was because the officer was available for this date. There's a note on the continuance.
okay. And what whose calendar was that on?
Judge Parker.
Okay. Okay. Mhm.
You said October the 8th?
Right.
Right. So let me go off YouTube.